Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math is Made Easy. Today, it is going to be the 5th episode of my online quiz show, and the two candidates who will win today will qualify for the semi-final round. Those who are new on this channel are requested to subscribe, and also don't forget to share and like this video. The viewers can also check their potential, and I request you to comment your score in the comment box. Without wasting any time, let me introduce the three candidates that have joined me today. The first one is Mr. Hilal Ahmad from Handwara. The second one is Mr. Ejaz Ahmad Bhatt from Gamraj Tral. And the third one is Mr. Tawheed from Batagund. So best of luck, guys. Let us start the quiz. The first question will be for Mr. Hilal. Are you ready, man?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. The first question is on the screen now. Which lake is known as supreme gem of all Kashmiri lakes? Waller Lake, Dal Lake, Manasbal Lake, or none of these?
Supreme Gem.
You have 15 more
Dal
seconds
Lake.
to answer this question. Dal Lake,
Dal
are you
Lake.
sure? Let
Yes.
me log the answer. No, it is actually Manasbal Lake. So next question will be for Mr. Ejaz Ahmad Bhatt. Okay, the question is on your screen now. Who among the following is known as Alamdar-e Kashmir? Sheikh Nuruddin Wali Rahmatullahi Allah, Bulbul Shah, Zainul Abidin Rahmatullahi Allah, none of these.
Sheikh Nuruddin Nurani, Rahmatullah Allah.
Okay, are you sure about the answer? Let
Yes,
me
sir.
lock it. Yes, it is the right answer. So you have got 4 pointers for answering this question. The next question is for Mr. Tawheed. The question is, which place was the royal residence of erstwhile Dogra kings? Hari Niwas Palace, Amar Mahal Palace, Bohu Fort, or Mubarak Mindi Palace?
Mubarak Mandi Palace.
Mubarak Mandi Palace. Let me submit the answer. This is the right answer. So very good start. The next question is for Mr. Hilal Ahmad Bhatt. The question is on your screen now. The most popular form of Kashmiri folk music is Ruf, Chakri, Ladisha, or none of these?
Folk music.
Yes. You have 15 more seconds to answer this question.
First one, Roof.
First one, let me log the answer. No, it is actually Chakri. The next
Okay.
question is for Mr. Ejaz. Shirin Khusro, Yusuf Zulaikha, and Laila Majnu are the famous poems of Parmanand, Rasul Mir, Mahmud Gami, or none of these? You have 13 more seconds.
Mahmud Gami, sir.
Mahmud Gami, let me log the answer. Oh, it is the right answer. So good going for Mr. Ejaz. The next question is for Mr. Tawheed. Who said Mahjur as the words worth Kashmir? Rabindranath Tagore, Kamla Suraya, Sarojini Naidu, or Kabir Das? You have
Rabindranath.
20 more. Which one?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore. Let me log the answer. The right answer. So next question for Mr. Hilal is on the screen now. Janani Nashri Tunnel has been renamed as Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel, Shamlal Sharma Tunnel, Ramnath Kovind Tunnel, Murli Prasad Tunnel.
First one.
First one,
Shyama Prasad.
Shyama Prasad. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So you have got 4 points for answering this question. The next question is for Mr. Ijaz, and the question is on the screen now. Which industry is referred as sunrise industry? Silk and wool industry, IT industry, carpet industry, or
IT
none of
industry,
these?
sir. B part.
IT industry. Let me
IT
log the
industry, B part.
answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So 3 out of 3 for Mr. Ijaz. Next question is for Mr. Tawheed. The question on the screen now. The J&K Khadi and Village Industry Board was established in 1962, 1972, 1975, none of these. J&K Khadi and Village Industry.
1962.
1962. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So 3 out of 3 for Mr. Ijaz Ahmad Butt, 3 out of 3 for Mr. Tawheed, and 1 out of 3 for Mr. Hilal. So the next question again for Mr. Hilal. The question is on your screen now. It is reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe is, and which section tells us about reservation of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe? First one, proportional to their population under 14, section 14, 1/3% of 107 under section 17, 1/4% of 83 under section 13, or 33% under section 14. 9 seconds only now.
1/3.
1/3%. Let me submit. No, it is actually first one, proportional to their population under section 14. So the next question is for Mr. Ijaz. The strength of council of members will be the total members of Legislative Assembly of UT of J&K. Is it approximately 12 members among 114? Approximately 10 members among 107, 10% of 87, or 11% of 107? You have got 14 more seconds to answer this question. Hurry up. 9, 8, 7.
B part, sir. B part. B part.
B part. Let me submit. No, it is actually approximately 12 members among 114 members. So next question for Mr. Tawheed. Who created Central Advisory Committee in UT of J&K and UT of Ladakh for finance, water distribution, electricity distribution? Prime Minister, state government, central government, or president? Who created a Central Advisory? 15 more seconds to answer. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. Central?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me submit. Oh, it is the right answer. Was it Tukka or did you know it?
I was 80% sure on it, but president was in between.
Oh, you had some confusion. So Mr. Tawheed is leading here with 4 out of 4. The next question is for Mr. Hilal Ahmad Butt. The question is on your screen now. Which foreign traveler described Kashmir as paradise of Indies? Bernier, Hyun Sang, Okong, none of these.
Days of Indies.
Yes.
First one.
First one. So Bernier, let me submit the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So the next question is for Mr. Ijaz Ahmad Butt on your screen now. Dimensions of Shalimar Bagh are 640 meter into 140 meter, 539 meter into 182 meter, 582 meter into 180 meter, or none of these. Dimensions, length and breadth. Do you know this?
I think B part, sir.
B part.
B part.
Let me submit it. Yes, it is the right answer. So you have got 4 more pointers for answering this question. Was it Tukka or you knew about it?
No, sir. I was sure about 539 meters one side.
Acha, acha.
I was sure on only that, but
Okay. So
there was
you got
only
it
one
from
option
there.
having this 539. Yes.
Okay. The next question is for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. Initially, Pari Mahal was a school of hydrology, astronomy, astrology, none of these.
Astrology.
Astrology. So you go for C part. Let me submit the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So after overall 15 questions, Mr. Tawheed is leading from the front here, 5 out of 5. Number second, Mr. Ejaz, 4 out of 5, and Hilal Ahmad Bhatt, 2 out of 5. So a lot more questions to be asked. The next question is for Mr. Hilal on the screen now. Translated the poems of Iqbal, Rahmatullahi Allah, Shikwa and Jawab-e-Shikwa into Kashmiri. Was it Abdul Sattar Asi, Mahjoor, Rahman Rahi, or none of these?
First one, Abdul Sattar
First
Asi.
one, Abdul Sattar Asi. Let me submit it. Yes, it is the right answer. So, good job done by Mr. Hilal. The next question for Mr. Ejaz Ahmad Bhatt on the screen now. Vavan Munnam and Bomburital Yambrizal are very famous poems of Dinanath Nadim, Rahman Rahi, Mahmud Gami, or Abdul Sattar Asi. Vavan Munnam, Bomburital Yambrizal, the 2 famous poems. You have 12 more seconds to answer this question. 9, 8, 7.
Dinanath Nadim.
Dinanath Nadim, let me lock it. Yes, it is the right answer. So you have got 4 more points for answering this question. The next question is for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. Bhagavad Gita was translated into Dogri by Raghunath Singh Samyal and Hakim Parasram, Hardut Shastri and Raghunath Singh, Ramnath Shastri and Gurdial Singh, or none of these. Bhagavad Gita. You have 14 more seconds to answer. 10, 9, 8, 7.
C part.
C part. Okay, let me submit. No, it is actually the first one. That is Raghunath Singh Samyal and Hakim Parasram. Next question for Mr. Hilal again on your screen now. When was Article 35A included in Article 370? 1965, 1983, 1954, 1972.
Article 35A.
Yeah. You have 15 more seconds to answer.
1965.
1965. Let me submit the answer. Oh no, it is 1954 actually. Next question for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. The UNSC, United Nations Security Council, for the first time in decades, held a closed door meeting on JNK. Date क्या था? 16th of August 2019, 5th of August 2019, 31st October 2019, or 2nd of November 2019. Closed door meeting on JNK issue. You have 10 seconds now. 9, 8, 7, quick, 5.
2nd November 2019.
2019. No, it is a wrong answer. It was actually 16th of August 2019. Next question for Mr. Tawheed on your screen now. Which of the following state acts were replaced when JNK Reorganization Act 2019 came into force? JNK RTI Act 2009, JNK Consumer Protection Act 1987, JNK Hindu Succession Act 1956, all of these. They were repealed.
JNK RTI Act 2009.
RTI Act, but I think it is all of these. Yes, all have been repealed. So option D was the right answer. So good competition going on here. Next question is for Mr. Hilal on the screen now. Which of the following organization act as a regional development bank with the aim of promoting industries and boosting economic development in the state? Jammu and Kashmir RTCO, SICOP, Jammu and Kashmir SFC, or SIDCO SRDCO? Acts as a regional development bank. Which one?
Tidco,
Which one? Last one?
last one.
Okay, let me submit it. It is Jammu and Kashmir SFC. So next question is for Mr. Ejaz Ahmad Butt on the screen now. To facilitate industrialization, the state government provide what percent exemption in excise for 10 years for the new projects in the state? 60%, 100%, 75%, or 50%? To facilitate industrialization. You have got 14 more seconds to answer.
60%.
60%. No, it is actually 100%. So next question is for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. The government of J&K plans to set up industrial cluster development centers at which of the following places? Sangam, Kutwa, Bagheli, Mardankha, all of these.
All of these.
All of these. Are you sure? Okay, let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So after 24 questions, the score is that Mr. Tawheed leading from the front, 6 out of 8, and Mr. Ejaz Ahmad Butt in a second position, 5 out of 8, and Mr. Hilal 3 out of 8. So still you have the chance to come back. The next question for Mr. Hilal on the screen now. According to Reorganization Bill 2019, UT will have a chief minister and LG, and the financial bills need to be cleared by LG, Advocate General, Chief Minister, or none of these?
LG.
LG, let me lock the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So next question is for Mr. Ejaz Ahmad Butt. According to J&K Reorganization Bill 2019, for the purpose of delimitation, which of the following census figures were taken as benchmark? 2019, 2015 census, or 2011, or none of these? To delimitize, which census was used? You have 9 seconds only.
2011.
2011. Let me
2011.
lock it. Yes, it is the right answer. Next question for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. With abrogation of Article 370, the tenure of J&K State Assembly is 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, or 4 years?
5 years.
I think it is the easy question, obviously. It is obviously 5 years. So you have got 4 more pointers for answering this question. Next question for Mr. Hilal on the screen now. Who among the following is an Kashmiri Indian scientist in the field of human genetics and cancer biology? It is Prehiman Krishan Kao, Trilpok Nath Khoso, Rameshwar Nath Kol Bemizai, or Subhash Kak?
To second one.
Second one. Let me log the answer. So it is Rameshwar Nath Kol Bemizai. Good luck for next question. The next question is for Mr. Ejaz Ahmad Butt on the screen now. Which of the following was the first winner of Sahitya Academy Award for Kashmiri language? Mirza Arif, Adil Muhyiddin, Abdul Sattar Asi, Dinanath Nadim.
Dinanath Nadim.
Dinanath Nadim. Let me log the answer. No, it was Adil Mohiuddin, actually. It is the right answer. So the next question for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. Which of the following is the scientist turned poet covered the entire span of Kashmir's economic and political transition from Dogra monarchy to New Kashmir? Was it Lal Ded, Zinda Kaul, Mirza Arif, or Abdus Sattar Asi? Scientist turned poet. You have 10
Zinda
more.
Kaul.
Kaul, Zinda Kaul. Let me lock it. No, it is actually Abdus Sattar Asi. So the next question will be for Mr. Hilal. Remember, 6 more questions now. That means each one of you will be given a chance to answer 2 questions each. The score update is that Mr. Tawheed has got 28 points with 7 correct answers. Mr. Ejaz 24 points with 6 correct answers. Mr. Hilal 16 points with 4 correct answers. So anything can happen. Let us wait and watch. The next question on the screen for Mr. Hilal now. Which village has been named after the horse of Alexander the Great? Mendar, Bafliaz, Loran, none of these.
Which village has been?
Actually, he died there. Actually, the horse died there. And that place was named after that horse.
First one.
Yeah. First one, are you sure? Let me lock it. It is actually the second one, Bafliaz. Good try. The next question for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. The Englishman who first conceived and executed the idea of a floating house in 1983 was David Estes, V.S. Housey, M.T. Kennard, none of these.
M.T. Kennard. Loading house.
Are you sure? Let me
90%.
submit the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So the next question is for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. Who originally named Gauri Marg as Gulmarg? Yusuf Shahi Chak, Shahmir, none of these, or Akbar?
Yusuf Shahi Chak.
Yusuf Shah Chak. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So 4 more points for Mr. Tawheed. The last question for Mr. Hilal on the screen now. Indira Gandhi Tulip Garden is commonly known as Sheikh Bagh, Zabarwan Bagh, Siraj Bagh, or none of these. The famous Tulip Garden in Srinagar.
None of these.
None of these. No, it is actually Siraj Bagh. It is commonly known as Siraj Bagh, the famous tulip garden. Okay. Next question is for Mr. Ejaz on the screen. JKTDC was established in February 13, 1970, Feb 13, 1975, Feb 10, 1960, March 13, 1965.
TDC. B part, sir.
D.
F 39. B.
Okay, let me log the answer. B part. No, it is February of 13, 1970, actually, first part. So it is the right answer. Last question for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. On Tihar festival, people worship Lord Shiva, Lord Buddha, Nagas, Lord Rama.
Nagas.
Nagas. Let me lock it. Yes, it is the right answer. So it means that Mr. Tawheed and Mr. Ejaz have qualified for the semi-final round. Mr. Tawheed scored 9 out of 12. That is, he answered 9 questions correctly out of 12 questions. Mr. Ejaz answered 7 questions correctly out of 12, and Mr. Hilal 4 out of 12. I would like to thank you for joining me here. Best of luck. The next episode will be on 15th of this month. That is 15th of June 2021. Best of luck. Thanks a lot.